How to achieve force control in micro-linear servo actuator. It's easy. First, fix the micro-linear servo actuator onto the device. Then, connect the USB debugging cable to the computer. Connect the power supply to the USB converter. Then, connect the actuator to the USB converter. Turn on the power switch. The interface provides real-time feedback on the actuator's force status. When the force value is greater than or equal to 10 newtons, the pushrod retracts. If the actuator feedback force value is 30 newtons, the pushrod continues to extend.